without bias or prejudice. So help you God, or as you shall answer unto the pain and penalty of perjury.
Today, the biggest development since the Anthony Sowell case began more than 2 weeks ago. A jury has been seated. The jury's first task will be to tour Anthony Sowell's home, where police say he kept the bodies of 11 women he had raped and killed.
That will happen on Monday, but tonight we are getting to know a little more about the people who will decide the fate of an accused serial killer. Let's get right to News Channel 5's Paul Kiska. He's live at the courthouse, and Paul, it took 15 days in court to finalize this jury.
Yeah, quite a long time, nearly 3 weeks now. The jury of 8 women and 4 men has been seated, and they were sworn in this morning by Judge Dick Ambrose. Again, the jury has been seated, 8 women and 4 men. Attorneys spent 3 weeks choosing jurors from a pool of 197 potential jurors. There are 5 black jurors and 7 white jurors. There are 4 alternate jurors. The jurors include a college student, registered nurse, social worker, and a retired art teacher, for instance. Now, jury selection is vitally important because, according to News Channel 5 legal analyst Tim Miller, every attorney has different philosophies on choosing jurors. Attorneys are trying to find people open to the strong points of the arguments in their case, Miller said. Now, this Monday, we found out the jury will tour Sowell's house on Imperial Avenue. Today, they got specific instructions about that visit called a jury view.
And what you observed at the scene is not evidence, since conditions have changed since the time of the events in this case. Evidence concerning the physical appearance of the scene at the time or times an issue must come to you from the witness stand. The sole purpose of this viewing is to help you understand the evidence as it may be presented to you during the trial.
All right, then Judge Dick Ambrose went on to instruct the jury to wear comfortable shoes and comfortable clothing on Monday when they go through the house on Imperial Avenue, because they'll be crawling through some narrow staircases, perhaps going even up into the attic or the basement where the bodies of 11 women were found in 2009. Coming up at 6 o'clock, will the news media be able to take you inside Anthony Sowell's house on Monday during that court proceeding? We'll let you know how that shook out in court just about a half an hour ago. Reporting live downtown, Paul Kiska, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Paul. In just a few minutes, we will talk to former Cuyahoga County Chief Prosecutor Tim Miller about where the case stands right now and how the makeup of this jury could affect the trial. Plus, for more in-depth coverage of the Anthony Sowell case, just log on to our website, newsnet5.com, where we've dedicated an entire section to the case.